Y'all, I haven't been on YouTube for a minute, so I forgot to tell you guys what hair I was using in my last video, so I'm gonna have to do that video again because I threw those packs out. Let's get the hair out the way first so you guys can know what it is. It's from Free Trust Braids. So this is how it looks. And it's so pretty. They have different colors, and this time I got black. So it's the braid and also that Bohemian style thingy. This is the braid pattern that I'm using. This was created by Braids, so definitely check out her channel. I'll leave it in the description box below. This is actually gonna make your crochet braids look really extremely realistic, so it's not gonna look like, well, we all know how crochet braids look like. Look, I'm not trying to walk down the street and have these girls talking about, oh yeah, is that crochet braids? No, no it's not. You see how it looks? Do you see how it looks like individually? Before I finish this hairstyle, I almost forgot to put my GS hair growth oil in my hair. This has been helping my hair grow super, super fast, and it's been helping thousands of people. People that suffer from alopecia, thinning hair, breaking hair, slow hair growth, male and female pattern baldness, no edges. Even people that suffer from cancer and lupus. It's just been helping so many people. Used this oil for the past month, so my hair growth rate has been like a half an inch a month, and usually it's an inch a month if I use the hair growth oil. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, let me show you a close-up of this technique. Look at that. It looks like, what is that? Okay, no, I'm missing one. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. I left all the information to all the products in the description box below, including what type of hair this is, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, that's it.